Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Usman Awan, and in this video I will tell you how you can write SEO optimized meta tags for a Zencart store. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to log in your Zencart store. So click submit and you will be redirected to the dashboard, and on the dashboard click modules. I'm so sorry, click catalog, and under catalog you need to click on categories and products, and here comes your categories. If you click on any category, you will see subcategories. So these are the 3 subcategories, and if you click on them you will see all the relevant products to that category, and these are the products. And if you want to write meta tags, you need to click on this icon, and if you click here you will see here comes the meta title, here comes the meta keywords, and here comes the meta description tag. So basically all the products which already have meta tags will show orange color on this icon, and all the products which have no meta tags will show a black color on this icon. And let's say that let me give you a demonstration that how can you write a meta tags for some products. So let's say I want to write meta tags for this product, so I will click on this icon, and I have a meta tags in a written form for this product. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to copy this title and paste it here. Then you have to copy the meta description and you have to paste it here. Then you have to copy the keywords and you have to paste it here. And then you need to see some options for details. So basically this is asking that what you want to include in the meta title. If you see here, we have write a custom meta title, so we want to add any additional thing here. For example, they are asking that do you want to add the product name in the title? No. They're asking that do you want to show the meta title? Yes, because we have written a custom meta title. Do you want to add a model number in the meta title? No. Do you want to show the price in the meta title? No. And do you want to show the tagline of the website in the meta title? No. So whenever you are writing a custom meta title, you need to deselect all of these options, and only the title option should be selected. And after that you need to click on preview, and if you see here, see the product name, the model number, the price, the tagline, all are excluded, and only the custom meta title is showing. Here comes the keyword and here comes the description. So after that you need to click on update, and when you will update you will see the button of the color of the icon for this product is also changed. So the orange icon means this product is optimized with the meta tags, and the black icon means that this product has no meta tags. And let me tell you, this was the way to write meta tags for your product, and there is the same way to write meta tags for the category. For example, this is the category, and orange means this category has already meta tags, but if you click here you will see the same format of writing the meta tags. Here come title, here come keywords, and here come description. So I hope you learned how to write meta tags for a Zencart store, and if this tutorial is helpful for you, then don't forget to share it with more people, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.